Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are making some homemade custard. Why are we making homemade custard, do you ask? Well, that's easy. It's probably better than store-bought. You can make it whenever you want, and it's really easy. So yeah, you just have to make sure that it's easy. Well, I don't know guys, it's easy to make, and I'm just going to show you how easy it is to make homemade custard. So for starters, we are going to add about 24 ounces of whole milk. Oh no, that's not good. That was very hot. So yeah, that was very hot guys, it seems, for the pan. I did not know my stove was on, but I've just added about 24 ounces, which is about, I think, like 700 milliliters of whole milk. So just make sure that your pot isn't on a high heat. Mine isn't, but I think it was heating up for a bit too long. So just be careful of that when you guys are making your custard. Next, we're going to add 200 milliliters of double cream, or fresh cream, whipping cream. And we're waiting for this to get to like a light simmer. So kind of similar to what we did with the creme brulee, which I will put the link in the video. Yeah, and we just want these edges to sort of start bubbling up. So okay, so in the meantime, we will be, you know, making our next step to the custard, and for that we're gonna need 5 egg yolks. So I'm just separating it here, and I'm just using my hand to let go of the egg whites, and I'm adding the yolks. So with those 5 egg yolks that I have here, I'm next going to add 1 teaspoon which I seem to have run out, but that's fine, I've got another one. I just tend to like this one more. So 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and then I'm adding 3 tablespoons and 3 tablespoons of corn flour, and then I'm adding about half a cup of caster sugar, and then we whisk. It kind of looks like custard paste now, doesn't it? So this is the texture that we are looking for. That is that, really. We have made that, whatever that is supposed to be. So now back to the milk and cream. I can say this is an appropriate temperature. Yeah, I'm happy with that. Okay, so next, after, we are going to pour our milk mixture into the egg white mixture. So I'm going to pour it in gradually and keep stirring. it's sort of gonna cook it while it's hot. That's pretty cool, huh? Pour and stir. So now I'm pouring a little bit faster now. So like so. So don't mind the bubbles, it's okay. So far so good. Okay, so now that we have made this mixture, I'm going to add it back into our bowl. Pot. It is a pot, Khads, it is a pot. And over low heat, we're just going to stir constantly until it thickens. So easy peasy. It's literally so beautiful. Look how silky it looks. It's actually beautiful. Alright, we're not quite there yet, but we'll almost be. So we just have to keep stirring. Don't stop, because that's how you create it sticking to the bottom of your pot. And probably some lumps too. So just keep sticking, trust the process. I think I just said stop, just keep sticking. I meant keep stirring. My bad. So as you can see, it's starting to get thicker now. I've transferred to a whisk just because I want to get some of the lumps out. And in that case, guys, we are done. Look at our custard. It's nice and thick. Well, it's more smooth than I say thick. I like my custard quite light, but that's exactly what I was looking for. I saw a tiny little lump there. I'm not gonna cry over it. And you can adjust it to your taste. I added half a cup of sugar, caster sugar. I'm happy with that. Okay, so custard's dried up a bit. So there's like a top surface somewhere, but it's come out very nicely, especially since it's homemade. So I'm just going to have a quick taste. Yeah, a lot nicer than ambrosia, in my opinion. I think all homemade is always better because you can control how sweet you want it, how creamy you want it. I don't blame you guys for wanting to make this right now because it is absolutely delicious. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you are watching this and you haven't subscribed and you really liked this video, then please subscribe. It is very encouraging seeing like new subscribers and comments and likes and stuff like that, so I'd very much appreciate it. But in time, I will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye. Homemade